So Lena the Plug has filed a divorce with Adam22. So this was inevitable. तुमने जब ये news देखी, it wasn't about you saw about those couple. You don't give two fucks about them. It's just that you saw yourself and you're like, भाई ये मेरे साथ भी हो सकता है आगे जाके, right? So in this video we are going to cover a lot of things. ये ऐसे क्यों हुआ? Why modern men are becoming cock? And how do you save yourself from all this kind of shit in future, or where the hell is our modern relationships are heading towards? So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? So ये वाला जो वीडियो है ना, it's going to be a fun one, ठीक है? Where we are going to discuss a lot of things. Also तुम देख रहे हो कि background अलग से है. So मैं अपनी नानी के यहाँ पे आया हुआ था. So it's a fun thing, right? Okay. So grab your popcorn because this is going to be more of a rambling kind of a video. I don't have any notes with me. ना ही मैंने कुछ script किया, ठीक है? So this was a demand from a lot of my guys from the inner circle कि भाई प्रीतम तुमने ये news सुना कि नहीं? I didn't wanted to make this video like क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ रहा है भाई, who gives two fucks? Those guys are sitting in US and हमको क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ रहा है? How are we even affected in the first place? ये मेरा thinking था, but most of the guys were interested in this. Hence we're here. Okay, just a little background story. So who the fuck are we even talking about in the first place? So क्या scene है इनका? So there's this couple, ठीक है, modern couple internet पे. So there's this guy called Adam22 and there's this his wife called Lena the Plug. Okay, so basically क्या scene था? These guys were into this relationship, but the girl, the way they made money was a lot of things, but the main thing was, let's say, porn. ठीक है. So this guy had gotten married and he let her wife sleep with another man and shoot a porn video so they could make money out of it. Okay, again, nothing. Who the fuck are we even to judge about what they want to do? If a man wants to make a living out of it, cool, whatever. Okay, that's his way. So they did it, and basically, क्या scene हुआ? Internet completely exploded when they, had their thing going on, and the guy basically nutted in that girl, जो भी वो porn star था. So Jason Lou or some shit. तो उस बंदे ने क्या किया? इस बंदे के अंदर he just did, and what she did at the end was she took that thing and she licked it. Okay, and Adam22 ने क्या बोला था इसको, that you both guys are not going to kiss each other because I'm not okay with that. But at the end, this guy had nutted inside her and they were okay with that. So internet was like, man, you are the complete biggest cuckhole in this entire world where you let your wife get banged with another dude. And he spent months on podcasts कि नहीं we are okay with it, I'm okay with that kind of shit. ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर बाद में क्या हुआ? Things kind of settled down, and recently कल की बात है शायद, the news came up that this girl suddenly is like, I want to file a divorce from you. ठीक है. So and she gets like $500,000 per month for allowance or something like that, and now he is coming up and saying कि like all she wants is money from me, that kind of thing. ठीक है. तो ये सब सिचुएशन मैंने तुम्हारे सामने रख दिया. Now जाके porn मत देख लेना, ठीक है? Okay. Now the whole thing is, so what's going on and why did this happen in the first place? So most of the modern relationships, अभी हम, even you might have heard कि यार ये office में जाके, like in corporates especially, there are lots of cases where there are affairs which are going on. ठीक है? So ये सारी चीज़ें suddenly what is happening, because when we see in our parents' generation, तो वहाँ पे इतनी चीज़ें नहीं होती थी. Suddenly now what's the cause of all this rise which is going on? So the rise of all, see, we humans, things, we have our desires, right? And we weren't able to like act on those desires fairly until recently, because अगर तुम ऐसे कुछ desires पे you act on, then what would happen is the society would completely outcast you and they would label you कि ये ऐसे couple, and they wouldn't survive apart from society. अभी क्या scene हो रहा है? Most of us are becoming independent, right? I was in Bangalore, I was in Pune and all these tier 1 cities. Trust me, तुम्हारे neighbors, you won't even know who the fuck your neighbors are. You don't even give two fucks about them. ये सारी चीज़ें हो रही है. And the big rise is not because we all are suddenly horny and all. It's because it's the ease. पहले क्या होता था? If you like someone, then क्या? How are you going to communicate with those? Write a letter, evidence आ जाता था, right? And back and forth, फिर मिलेंगे कहाँ पे? Planning should go on. Now it's very easy with just our phones. Okay, so this is one of the main reasons कि ease. Okay, and now most of the guys are very insecure कि यार मेरी पत्नी भी ऐसे भाग जाएगी तो मेरे पे भी डिवोर्स आ जाएगा, तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मेन रीजन्स व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. सो ये दैट्स व्हाई देयर इज अ ह्यूज राइज. ऑल्सो व्हाट आई सॉ इज ये जो एक नीश रहता है राइट, पॉर्न वीडियोज. वाई आर पॉर्न वीडियोज इवन लाइक बूमिंग अप सडनली? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ईज, जैसे मैंने बोला. एंड सेकंड थिंग, fair recent amount of time you might have seen ki there's a rise of this category called cuckold. Cuckold is basically like you see your wife getting fucked by some other dude and you just jerk off to that couple. Shit on paper, but most of the guys are into that fantasy, even though they might not want to like openly speak about it, but that's what it is going on, right? So ye suddenly kya ho chuka hai? But because most of the guys are becoming feminine and the girls, they are becoming मैस्कुलिन, तो जेंडर रोल यहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो चुका है. ओके, सो मेरी कॉलेज की सीनियर है, सो शी गॉट मैरिड एंड रिसेंटली आई जस्ट कॉट अप विद क्या चल रहा है, कैसा चल रहा है. एंड शी जस्ट सेड मी वन थिंग, प्रीतम, आई एम ओके विथ मी हैविंग अ बेबी गर्ल एंड me treating my 32-year-old husband as a baby boy. I'm okay with that. But the moment I think कि वो बंदा मेरा husband है, I can't take it. So he is like mama's boy, complete mama's boy. Okay. So she is like, I want a man. I don't want some dude who's like emotional and he doesn't understand my feelings. So iska abhi theek hai. We opened a bunch of threads here. Like I said, this video is like free flowing, rambling. We two friends are having a conversation on a terrace kind of thing, right? So चलो अभी एक एक thread को हम will give a solution to you, because I just don't want to stimulate your brain and suddenly leave you with nothing, right? So चलो अब there's a rise. Okay, अब rise हमको समझ आ गया. Now what's the solution for it? The solution is everything comes down to one thing, and that is you need to become this man with multiple options. Now this might sound like what the fuck cliche, that kind of bullshit. Do I need to go out and sleep with a bunch of women? Okay, I'll tell you. So there are three kinds of emotions which a guy goes through love wali phase mein. The first is puppy love, innocence. So this thing should happen with you ideally in school time. This happens with girls in school time, where they find someone innocent. They are the reason where they get dressed up and सुबह जाके उनको देख के the whole day, you know, that kind of thing. But what about if a guy is from complete boys school and he never had any female interactions? जो मेरे साथ हुआ था. Until 18, I never spoke with a girl. Okay, so let's take the graph of a girl. Okay, तो ये स्कूल टाइम में क्या होता है, ये पपी लव होता है. Okay, उसके बाद दे आर इन द 9th 10th या फिर 11th 12th स्टैंडर्ड में, हाई स्कूल में, दे फाइंड द लव ऑफ देयर लाइफ एंड स्टफ हैपन्स टू देम. एंड ये 17-18 तक वो रहता है. एंड देन बाय द टाइम दे आर 20, दे हैव ऑलरेडी बीन, दे गेट ओवर दैट गाय, बिकॉज चीज़ें टूट जाती है. दे गेट इनटू दिस ड्रामा, ओ माय गॉड व्हाट हैपेंड. एंड फिर टू गेट ओवर दैट गाय दे गेट इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप विद अनदर गाय. उसका हो फेज आ जाता है, दैट काइंड ऑफ शिट, एंड she goes drinks, parties. By the time she's 22, she has done bunch of things, and now she is like, भाई मेरे को मेरे career पे focus करना है. By 22 to 25, they have a guy here and there. By 25, they are like, I want to settle down now. तो ये ideal graph रहता है लड़कियों का. Again, कुछ बंदियों का आगे पीछे होता रहता है. Now comes the guy. You are a good boy, mama's boy. 18 तक तुमने किसी बंदी से बात भी नहीं किया. Okay, and after that suddenly you are like until 20 तुम देखते हो कि गलती से किसी बंदे को बंदी मिल जाती है. एंड फिर नाउ यू आर लाइक जेलस, भाई मेरे को भी चाहिए. तुम जिम में जाते हो, वो सब करने लग जाते हो. ओके, एंड इसी में ही यू कॉलेज निकल जाता है. बाय दैट टाइम यू आर ऑलरेडी सोर कि यार मेरे को बंदी नहीं है, मैं सख्त लौंडा हूँ, मैं लड़कियों के पीछे नहीं जाता, दैट काइंड ऑफ शिट. देन सडनली यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ यू आर 22-year-old dude, एंड नाउ यू आर लाइक, भाई गेम पिक अप, मेरे को बंदी चाहिए, आई वांट टू बैंग बिकॉज ऑल ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स हैव गर्ल्स, आई डोंट हैव. वैसे कर को रख के गलती से एक आध बंदी मिलती है एंड तुम उसके पीछे जाते हो. एंड देन ऐसे कर को रख के 25-26 तक तुम्हारा गलती से एक आध रिलेशनशिप हो जाता है. कुडोस टू यू इफ़ यू डू, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द गाइज वो भी नहीं हो पाता. देन दे आर सडनली फाइंड देमसेल्फ, दे आर 27 एंड दे आर लाइक, भाई मैं वर्जिन हूँ, जिंदगी में किसी बंदी से मैंने इंटरेक्ट नहीं किया, नाउ व्हाट शुड आई डू. एंड 1-2 साल में उनकी शादी हो जाती है. दिस इज़ like after speaking like what good 100-200 guys, this was more or less like the synthesis which I brought. The majority of the guys fall into this thing. Gen Z guys, they are becoming aware more. So 17-18, they are like, I need to become the best version of myself. Awesome. Okay, तो लड़कियों का ग्राफ बोल दिया, लड़कों का ग्राफ बोल दिया. Now why did I say to become a man with multiple options? Because मैंने ये thread open किया था, right? So the solution to that cuckolding and masculinity and you need to be able to lead is becoming the man with multiple options. क्यों? If you have the पहला तो तुम्हारा जो relationship होगा, it will be shit. You'll make shit ton of mistakes. इतनी mistake करोगे कि you are like क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, ठीक है. So the first one you'll think ideally मैं ऐसे करूँगा, मेरी बंदी ऐसे करेगी, वो that kind of shit. And बहुत सारी गलतियाँ करोगे तुम. And हम लड़कों का कैसे रहता है, we only learn by doing it. Okay. So लड़कियों का somehow they are wired in them and उनको पता रहता है. Okay. But हम लड़के बुद्धू रहता है. So we only learn by doing it. So the first relationship, it'll, if you are in a solid relationship where the emotions and you have cried in front of a girl and all those things, तो उसके बाद क्या होगा, उसमें से बाहर निकलने में तुम्हें एक टाइम जाएगा. Good, ideally it will take you 6 months to a year to only come out of that thing. And still you'll never come out of that relationship, ठीक है, because वो इतना pure रहता है. Then second वाली बंदी आती है. Second वाली is more or less like to get over the first girl, you वो relationship होता है, ठीक है. And the second one, जितना मैंने देखा, the girl would be a replica of the first girl. It's just the first girl की जो memories होती है and you have just created that girl and you try to have those conversations with that girl. And उसके बाद third one जो आएगी, third one जो है like तुम्हें pattern दिखने लग जाएंगे, okay, कि कैसे लड़कियाँ manipulate करती है, like all these kind of patterns, the dark side of female nature starts to arise. And by the time you're around your third one, तुम इतना emotional नहीं होता, okay, you're practical. By the time you get married, you're like a man, you're a solid man. You don't cry in front of a girl. Nothing wrong with crying in front of a girl as per मतलब समझ रहे हो. But you know, emotions, you are the man of the house. Just imagine तुम्हारे father. Have you seen your father crying? Probably when his mother died या फिर something happened. But again, he is the rock of the household. He can't just let go and start crying and oh my god, नहीं. थोड़ा आँखों में पानी आएगा, then they just are like, okay, I need to be man of my house, my children need me, my wife need me, I need to be strong. तो ये कब आता है? When you have been through life. So same way, becoming this man with multiple options is not about you just go and fuck up a bunch of girls. ठीक है, cool, whatever. But you learn a bunch of things. How the female works, how this 48 laws of power, ये सारी चीज़ें कैसे काम करती है. You know, you'll learn a bunch of things. And also you'll become this version of you who is like rock solid, ठीक है. That's why masculinity, that's the first thing. Masculinity is the foundation of these things. What sort of a guy would let his own wife go and fuck another dude for money? There are a bunch of ways to make money, right? So that's like setting your standards. तो तुम्हारे standards ही यहाँ से खराब है, then nothing is going to happen. Okay, we spoke about why you need to become this man with multiple options is because you need masculinity. ठीक है, and the more a guy is through experiences, the more the girl will be able to trust. तो ये that out of the way. Now comes उसने ऐसा क्यों किया and how do you protect yourself कि ये चीज़ें तुम्हारे साथ नहीं हो. That's the main part. Okay. Now comes because a lot of guys वो उनको डर लगता है कि मेरी शादी हो जाएगी and what if the girl just plays with me and she has her own lover and मैं तो वर्जिन ही था, मैंने कभी कुछ किया ही नहीं and suddenly I'll be heartbroken, that kind of thing. And more important, she'll take all the money and she'll just run away. Okay? So चलो, so now उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? See, women the way they function is एक चीज़ वहाँ पे है कि they'll push you. Okay, so let's say ये तुम्हारा bruise है, उनको पता है ego. So ego is the thing which we men thrive on. ठीक है, कुछ भी हो जाए तो रुक तेरे को दिखाता हूँ मैं, ये ego रहता है हम लोगों में. So what they do is they'll find a sore spot and they'll purposefully, उनको जब तुम्हारा sore spot पता चल जाएगा, they'll just pinch it and देखते हैं what are you made of, do you react. So and the more you are like unfazed by a lot of her comments and nagging, then she's like, I can trust this guy. So eventually everything comes down to, can I have a kid with this guy and would he be able to take care of my kid? At the end, that's all it is. ठीक है? No one gives a shit about you. That's the dark truth and reality. ठीक है? So that's why पहले जो भी करना है भाई कर लो, शादी के बाद ये सब मत सोचो. You need to become a man. Okay? So फिर उसने ऐसा क्यों किया? मैन, रिस्पेक्ट इज लॉस्ट. व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ गाय लेट्स हिज वाइफ fuck another dude and takes her his semen in her, that kind of shit, right? वहाँ पे रिस्पेक्ट एक बार चला गया ना, you will never be able to, you know, उससे उभर नहीं पाओगे तुम कितना भी कुछ भी उसको गिफ्ट दे दो, कुछ भी कर लो. Once respect is lost, respect is lost. So why this happened is the foundation. If the respect is not there, none of the relationship is going to last. Okay. So even if you shower her with lots of diamond rings and all that thing, so ये चीज़ हो गई. Now most importantly, how do you protect yourself from ये सारी चीज़ें आगे जाके तुम्हारे साथ ना हो, right? That's the most important part. So like I said, most of the guys have this bunch of fear कि भाई ये मेरे साथ होगा. First thing, like I said, go through a bunch of relationships. That's the best advice I can give you. अगर तुम्हारे पास ये नहीं है, then you are in a very shaky situation. Just imagine कि तुमने कभी कुछ प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया. लेट्स से योर बोर्ड एग्जाम्स और सम एग्जाम, तुमने कभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया, स्ट्रेट अप फाइनल एग्जाम में जाके बैठ रहे हो एंड यू आर लाइक, आई विल गो एंड मेक श्योर दैट आई विल स्कोर 100 आउट ऑफ 100. दैट्स अ बेबी एनालॉजी व्हाट आई एम गिविंग यू, बट ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. सो इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रैक्टिस, इफ यू हैव नेवर डन इट, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डू इट. लाइक यू आर गोइंग टू फक अप, बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड, द वे वी मैन लर्न इज बाय डूइंग इट. अगर तुमने कभी किया ही नहीं है, वहाँ पे जाके तुम झक मार के बहुत गंदा करोगे. सो how do you protect yourself is to make sure that you understand ये मेल फीमेल डायनामिक्स कैसे काम करता है. ओके. एंड इन रिलेशनशिप्स where your boyfriend girlfriend, you are allowed to mess up करो. you'll realize कि उनका भी एक ईगो रहता है, उसके रिक्वायरमेंट्स क्या है. अगेन it doesn't have to be there's this great book called Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, right? So वहाँ पे he has explained a bunch of things कि you know the way. Okay, so example, तुम्हारी मम्मी का ले लो. So your mother keeps nagging you. You've seen that. So she keeps nagging you, and एक point के बाद once you cross 25 or something, us men, हमारा जो hearing रहता है ना, वो कम हो जाता है. So she might keep speaking, हमें वो ध्यान में नहीं आता. Whereas if a father says something, we are suddenly like, okay, so this guy has given us mission. So we men are like mission oriented, and what they like to do is they just keep on talking. हमको वो कुछ यही नहीं रहता. सो दीज आर द फंडामेंटल्स कि यार द वे दे टॉक इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट, द वे वी मैन कम्युनिकेट इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट. तो ये कम्युनिकेशन, ये सारी चीज़ें, लाइक हाउ, व्हाट डज शी वांट, आर वी अलाइन्ड टुगेदर, वेयर आर वी गोइंग, व्हाट्स द विजन, एम आई एबल टू सेटिस्फाई यू, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सेटिस्फाई वुमन, शी इज़ गोइंग टू लुक आउटसाइड, बिकॉज उनका लिबिडो बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है, राइट? So these are all the factors which come into picture, and I'm not saying कि you need to be I'm only a good guy, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ, oh my god. These are like, ठीक है, some things might happen which are not in your control, but there are a bunch of things which are in your control. अगर if you don't work on yourself, if you are some shit guy who's just nothing and हाँ शादी हो गई and अभी I'm not going to work on our relationship, then there's a high chance whoever gives her more attention, that kind of thing, is going to win the bid, right? You need to understand कि किस situation में उसको क्या चाहिए. Again, I'm not just saying कि उसी के पीछे पड़े रहो. Even you have your own purpose, even you have your own life, kids आएंगे, all these things, right? You need to be able to manage and understand these things, how does it work, and you need to be able to lead as a man. So bunch of things to throw at you, ठीक है? So the whole solution is live experiences, go through them, चीज़ों को समझो, and then once you jump into it, that's where you need to be able to lead like a man and have fucking standards, because you're the man of the house. अगर तुम्हारे कोई standards नहीं, if people are not even listening to you, your own wife doesn't listen to you, then it's all fucked up. Okay, so hope this video, yes, we spoke about this Adam and all that, उनका ठीक है, but what, like, ये तुमको कैसे benefit कर रहा है? How do you learn from this whole thing? No matter तुम, because see, if you think you are too क्या बोलते हैं, invincible, life has its way, it will come and kick you in the throat. Okay, so be grounded, because ये मेरे साथ होता था. I used to think that I am this whole hot shot and I'll never get dumped by a girl. मेरी बंदी छोड़ के चली गई. So it took me like 3 साल का relationship था, 3 साल लगे मेरे को उसमें से बाहर आने में. A bunch of girls along the way. You learn, you get grounded. So it's all about experiences. Go through it. भाई एक ही ज़िंदगी मिलती है. So I would say, get the most out of it, and if you want to learn how to become this man with multiple options, I'm your guy. So there should be a link down in the description. Click on that, like fill out the survey to see if you qualify to work with me directly. Also अगर तुम्हें free infield चाहिए या फिर if you need कि 7 day का free मेरे को road map चाहिए where I will go and do it myself, there should be another link for our school community. वहाँ पे जाओ, you'll get bunch of infield text games, all these things, and roadmap on how to get started with going about and approaching goals and all those things, right? So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any comments, just put it down. What do you think about this whole situation, that kind of thing. And yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Preetham and I will see you in the next one.